Welcome to the Lazy and Loc channel. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. Thank you for stopping by. And if you're a returning subscriber as usual, thank you for your subscription and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I will be doing my Loc Count, and I will be announcing the 3 winners of the Loc Count giveaway. So if you've been following this channel, at least for the past 3 videos, then you know I am running or was running a Count My Loc guest giveaway contest, which was the second giveaway contest in Counting My Locs. I did one probably like a year and a half ago, and I decided that I wanted to do it again to give you all a chance to guess my locks. I've grown in subscribers, so I just wanted to do something for the new subscribers and to kind of thank you all for subscribing to the channel. All right, so in this video I will be counting my locks. I don't know if I'm gonna be counting it on camera or if I'm just gonna do it off camera and tell you all the count, but nonetheless a winner, actually 3 winners, will be chosen in this video. All right, and another thing too is, what did I want to say? I forgot. I totally forgot. But I'm gonna be counting my locks. I'm gonna be letting y'all know in this video who won, and if you did win, right, if you did win, make sure that well, I'm gonna actually comment the winner. I'm gonna pin the comment of the 3 winners, and those 3 winners, if your name is amongst that, what I need you to do is reply back in the comment section of my pinned comment your email address. Comment your email address, and I will personally email you and also email you your gift codes or gift card codes. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So the last time I did my lock count, I had 547 locks. So it might still be 547. It might be a little bit more, it might be a little bit less. I actually don't even know my lock count, to be honest. Like, I'm gonna be counting it now with you all, and we're gonna kind of see where it's at. So, oh my goodness, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm going to, yeah, I'm not gonna do this on camera because it's gonna take a while, and I don't even think my battery is gonna have enough. I don't even have enough battery. So let me go off camera, do my lock count, and then let's see who the 3 winners are.
So for this lock count, all I did was separate my hair into 4 sections, and once I separated them out, I then counted each section. Once I was done counting the section, I recorded the number down, and then I added everything at the end, as you'll see in the next clips.
I'm about to do the calculations. So we have 132 plus 121 plus 140 plus 131 equals 524 locks. So I went from 547 locks down to 524. Out of those 524, before, remember I had 547, so 547 minus 524 is 23 locks. So I have displaced 23 locks since my first lock count, where I had 547. And I mean, this doesn't surprise me. It's wild to see that, like, wow, I have 23 more locks than I had before, but I did combine locks intentionally. And remember, I also have to still put in, like, I would say about 10 locks. So if I minus 10 from 23, that'll give me 13. And I would say it was probably about maybe, yeah, about 5 locks that I combined. So I could see how I can get 524 as my final lock number. So that's pretty cool. So 524 is the winning number. If you have won, congratulations to you. I will make sure that I put your name down in the pin section. If you see your name, please, 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 please leave your email address. You don't have to leave it up there. As soon as I contact you and give you your gift cards, you can definitely take it down. Feel free to, but I do need a way to get in contact with you so I can give you your gift card winnings. All right, so I'm gonna choose top 3 people, and thank you. This was actually fun, and now I know how many locks I have, so now I know how to divide my days up when retwisting my locks. So this was great. And I'm about to start my March Madness retie process. So thank you all so much for watching this video. Again, congrats to the winners. If you didn't win anything now, it's okay, because I'm going to be doing a lot more giveaways on this channel. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notifications, and I'll see y'all all in the next video. Until then, y'all be safe. Peace out. Y'all take care of yourselves. See you later.